In the newest Genie Builder release, we have added tab components. You can implement tab interfaces with them as follows. First, you will need a tab menu that will let you switch between the tabs. Then you will also need a tab panels container that will hold the individual tabs of the interface. These components require several bindings. For the menu, we will need a vector with the ID of each tab, another vector with the labels of each tab, and a variable to hold the value of the selected tab ID. Likewise, for the tab panels container, we will require another variable to hold the selected tab. You can declare these variables in the backend like this, where we have two output vectors with the values for the IDs and the labels, and an input string that will hold the value of the selected tab. These components make use of the new nested component interface that lets you drill down into a component to edit its contents. To edit the panels, we need to drill into the tab panels by clicking on this pencil icon. Then we see the panels stacked on top of each other, and if we click on one of them and click on the pencil icon again, we will edit its contents. Here we can add more elements, like for instance a button, and once we have saved the edit, we can go up to the upper level and see that the button is already showing up.